Presenting Tron. So, how Tron Blockchain works. To understand how the Tron blockchain works, we first have to understand its architecture. The Tron architecture consists of 3 layers. Storage layer, a distributed storage protocol that consists of block storage, state storage, and GRPC. Core layer, this layer consists of smart contract, account management, wallet API, consensus, and SDK. Java is the designated language for development for smart contracts. Application layer, a developer can easily develop DApps and customized wallets in Tron Network using application layer. Tron uses the Delegated Proof of Stack (DPoS) consensus algorithm. So, Tron Network is governed by 27 super representatives that are voted by TRX holders. These 27 super representatives validate the blocks and keeps running the Tron blockchain. Super representatives are rewarded in TRX for that. Follow us on Facebook to get to know more about the Tron smart contract and the exciting financial opportunities provided by Tron.